I know a man of God, a clergyman, that is sponsoring people against me. About 2 pastors in Lagos here, and even a priest, 2 priests in Igbo land. What Ebuka did to them, I don't know. Before I make comment on this trending, can they play the prophecy I gave on 4th? Yeah. On 4th, I saw gang up, like what happened during the time somebody came here to submit the charm. They call the person in one church. This one is not coming from that place. There's something about Zion ministry. The spirit that is working here is too real to be fake. Evangelist Ebuka have given up everything for the sake of the Christ. I am too real to be fake. On Sundays and Wednesdays, 40-50 people testify. After the message on 4th, I told the moderators to be careful. One of the lady that testified here, I was on the altar. I came in during the testimony, and I was excited. Father, I use it to pray for people. The way I normally do, anytime somebody give testimony, I will use it to pray for people. And today, 2 of our Zion media send me the video where people say, oh, she was not the owner of the house. Do you know one thing that make me to know that I am big, or we are big? Any news about Ebuka Obi, it will turn to national news. That makes me to know. Some people will say, oh, Daddy Ebuka, you don't know how big you are. You don't know how big the Lord has lifted you. That somebody came and gave testimony. I wanted to blame the moderators, because I told the moderators, make sure you verify people's testimony, because some people, some men of God, even on the altar, they have vowed that they will bring Ebuka Obi down. They can send anybody to come to say, Andy, no prophet sees all the time, no prophet hear all the time. Even Elijah and Elisha, Caleb, spirit of prophecy comes. God will speak when he wants to speak. I wanted to blame the moderators. I was blaming Christian and the moderators, because Christian then was the one that listened to her. And Christian told me, how can we doubt it? She showed us a video that she did inside the house, and that is why we allow her to testify. And what we are hearing today is that that house she testified that she is not the owner. We are moving, we are verifying it. Our legal team will move to action to verify if indeed she is not the owner. We will find out this time who sent her. I know a man of God, a clergyman, that is sponsoring people against me. About 2 pastors in Lagos here, and even a priest, 2 priests in Igbo land. What Ebuka did to them, I don't know. I know them. So sending people here to give testimony, send them next month. The moderators will verify, they will give them mark. The more you talk, look at today, after the whole trending, we have 60-something thousand watching only on Facebook. We are too real. If you're angry, the growth of Zion or the growth of Ebuka Obi, this is just the beginning. It is the God that bless. If you have lost relevance, you don't fall with me. If you have lost relevance in the ministry or in any business you are doing, don't use somebody to fall. We will verify the girl. If the girl indeed that she came to testify and she's not the owner of the house, we are the one that we even follow her up to make sure she suffered. I know the whole setup against Ebuka. The same thing happened when somebody submitted charm in Zion. Within a day, the same clothes, the person was still wearing the clothes. They call him in one church to come and say that that charm is fake charm. I know the level of attack we're having, but I cannot do rosary, do Station of the Cross, and listen to testimony. Moderators are doing that. I was shouting at them, and they said to me, how can we, why wouldn't we believe when we saw her in the same house? So we're going to verify it. Don't mind those sponsoring nonsense against us. The whole media. Who are you doing media for? Ebuka Obi the Lord is with me, no doubt about it. Talk about us from today to tomorrow. It will always multiply us. These are the things people say. Ebuka, 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 Ebuka. People nearly, and we have over 3 million people in Ngobala. This is Ebuka, 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 Ebuka. Abuja was shut down. Ebuka Obi is too real. I was 12 years old when Father Odi came and said to me, God will use you mightily. Make sure you don't have sex until you marry. Make sure you don't leave Catholic Church. And make sure you are not money-minded. These are the 3 vows. Until today, Ebuka Obi, I've never have sex with anybody. I've never left the church, and I've never talked church people money. I am working with the covenant. All your propagandas, no matter how you do it, you go tire. Ebuka is moving forward. The Lord is with me because I sacrifice myself. They have tried to use women to set me up. It fell. They have tried to call some people that submit charm. It fell. They have tried to assassinate me. It fell. Now is calling people to come and testify. We are going to verify it. If indeed the girl, I have contacted some leader police yesterday. If indeed it's fake, then we will arrest the girl and she will provide who sent her. And somebody will say, oh, Ebuka Obi, why didn't you see it? Elijah did not see everything. When the woman of Shunammite was coming after the death of her son, she was coming to Elisha. The servant of Elisha wanted to stop the woman. Elisha rebuked him. Gehazi, why are you pushing the woman? The Lord has never revealed anything about her to me. And that was the woman that built the house for Elisha. When her son died, the woman was crying to Elisha. Elisha was shouting. The Lord has not revealed anything about her distress to me. Elisha was now asking her, woman, what is that? The Lord speaks. I was on the altar that day. The Lord did not say anything about whether the testimony is fake or original. The only day he said to me about that my name will be on the media was on 4th of last month. Go and watch the program in evening. I said it, that media will be checking, that it will be as if it's real, but it's fake. We're going to trace the girl. So this is for Zion people, not for those that are paying some bloggers. I heard the man, the clergyman over there, that's in the east there and here, that sponsored the blogger. What are you doing, blogger? Did I know her? Did any member know her? She came to testify the way hundreds come to testify every day. So if indeed the house she says she got is fake, it is her that lied before God and his altar, not the ministry. Am I communicating? If the girl come to the altar to say that God has blessed me to build this house, and that day she lied, she did not have the house, it is her that lied before the God, not the ministry. But they know how to be. So far as Ebuka Obi, they want to get up, but they are all failing. May God bless Zion people and protect Zion.
We fly.
Zion.
We move.
All of you, today in Zion ministry, come with your fruit. God bless you. God bless you. I have dropped one little thing about it. I know all this is. God bless you.
Now, this video where they watch is this woman where can give fake testimony in Zion ministry. This is one of the video he sent to the Zion ministry people, claiming that he's the owner of the house. Not gonna watch the video. I'm coming back.
I got this one. The house is two, but this is the one issues. And I've paid 200. I'm paying the house instrumental. I think it's the remaining 100. The house is 300 million. That's it. Should I put lights? Are you seeing it? Alright. It's not arranging. This is my building. Not easy for more, shopping mall, for business, streets. Do business.
I said it before that this woman, some people prepare this woman, send her to do this thing, to use her to destroy the image of Evangelist Ebuka Obi.